Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play NBA 2K with two controllers. First, make sure both of your controllers are fully charged and properly synced to your gaming console. NBA 2K supports local split-screen multiplayer across all major gaming platforms, including PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, and PC. You can even mix different controller types on most platforms, offering great flexibility for your gaming setup. Once your controllers are ready, use Player 1's controller to navigate the main menu. Select the Play Now option, then proceed to choose Quick Play. This is the easiest way to jump into a local multiplayer game with a friend. Remember, Player 1 will be responsible for all menu navigation until Player 2 officially joins the game's setup process. After selecting Quick Play, Player 2 can join the game by simply pressing any button on their properly synced controller when prompted. You will then see controller icons on the screen. Drag these to assign each player to their preferred team. You have the flexibility to either compete head-to-head against each other or team up on the same side to play cooperatively against the computer-controlled AI. Before hitting the court, you can customize your game settings. Adjust options such as quarter length, difficulty level, and various gameplay preferences to tailor your split-screen experience. These settings will apply to both players during the match. If you encounter any controller recognition issues, a simple game restart often resolves the problem, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable two-player basketball experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.